Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can open a new page in Google Docs really quickly to add it to your document. So drop a like and now let us get started. So basically there are two different ways, guys. Let's say, for example, you've been working on a test document like this and you would like to start all over with a completely new document. All you will need to do, guys, is either click on File here in the top left corner and select New here, hover your mouse over it and choose Document here from the right hand side to open a completely new untitled document with a new page here on Google Docs so that you may start all over with a clean sheet like that. Alternatively, guys, if you have already a couple of pages in your document and you would like to add a new page, all you will need to do is simply left click at the end of one of your pages and then press enter on your keyboard as often as needed so that there may appear a second and then a third page and so on and so forth. All of these blank pages, new pages you may edit and customize and fill with content. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time on our channel.